Hi everyone, welcome to WattCon 2017.
And a big hello to everyone that is watching online right now. You are all such a creative, amazing tour de force from all over the globe. People have come from near and far to be here. So this is the beginning of something really special and really exciting. And WattCon is really about us being able to give back to you guys. I'm so proud to be able to call you guys our community. You make us have the best jobs in the world. So thanks everyone for coming.
Yeah, let's hear it for all of you guys.
From all the staff at HQ, we really appreciate this. This is like so special.